I tried Camtasia and Descript for a week, and in this video I'm going to share everything you need to know to decide which one is the best for you. Both Descript and Camtasia allow you to easily record your camera, screen, and microphone. To record a video in Camtasia, we can just click on New Recording, then select our screen, camera, and microphone. And then when we are ready, we can just click Record. Then we can record whatever we want to record, and then we go into the Camtasia icon and then stop recording. Recording is also very easy in Descript. We can just open a new project and then select Record. Then we can select our camera, microphone, and if we want, also our screen. And then we can just hit Record. And after a small countdown, I'm now recording a video using Descript Recorder, and when I'm ready, I can just click Stop. Descript will then start processing and transcribing our video, which takes a while, but after which the editing will be super smooth. Camtasia provides a traditional, time-based editing experience, and if you ever used a video editor before, you will feel right at home in Camtasia. On the other hand, Descript also offers a unique transcript-based editing, which basically means you'll be able to edit the video by changing the transcript, which is very similar to editing a Word document. That can save hours of time for the initial rough cut of the video. Both tools allow you to enhance the quality of your voice recordings, for example, removing noise. But Descript's Studio Sound feature is exceptionally good at taking a noisy recording and making it sound as if it came out of a professional studio. Besides that, Descript is packed with other AI features. For example, automatic filler word removal, which removes and like from your video automatically, eye contact correction, and they even have an AI called Underlord, which can automatically generate YouTube description and social clips for you. Sharing your videos, it's possible with both tools, but Descript streamlines the process with its built-in publish feature. If you want to do the same in Camtasia, you will have to use another product called Screencast, which is not included in the basic version. Both Descript and Camtasia come as subscription, with Descript starting at $12 per month, going all the way up to $40 per month, depending on how much you use their AI features. On the other hand, Camtasia comes at around $200 per year for their basic plan, all the way up to $550 per year. Now, unfortunately, Camtasia doesn't come with a monthly subscription, so if you want to buy it, you will need to subscribe for at least a year. In terms of platform support, both tools are available for Windows and macOS as desktop applications, but Descript is also available as a web application, which makes it possible to use it without installing any app. If you're considering Camtasia or Descript to create educational content like tutorials, courses, and product demos, then let me tell you, I don't think that either of the two is the best tool for the job. My favorite tool to create educational content is called Borumi. With Borumi, you can decide the structure of your video in the built-in editor, which is very similar to Notion and Google Docs. Then you can record every scene separately, retrying as many times as you want. This is very convenient because it allows you to split the recording into smaller chunks, which are much easier to manage. And then you can edit the video in the built-in editor. Here you can trim the clips, either in the timeline or using the powerful transcript-based editing. You can also select nice-looking layouts, remove the noise, and so much more. Finally, you can export your video ready to be published to your platform of choice. You can get access to Borumi by visiting borumi.com.